about to get lit. As her, yeah, lit. As her, Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl, Nicole, and today I'm back at it again with another video. So today we are out here in New York. I'm gonna just show you guys outside real quick so you can see the setting. Yeah, see, we're at our hotel room right now. They're just talking in the background, like they just won't stop. I'm also on Instagram live right now, live streaming, and I'm in the hotel room, and right now I'm with my grandmother's, getting ready in their room. So if you hear any background, well, for the most part, this video is gonna be like just get ready with me kind of video. I'm not doing too much in the makeup. It's gonna be pretty much fast forwarded because this might be a clip that's gonna be my vlog footage if it's not its own video, because I'm not really doing too much. I'm just gonna do some brows, concealer, and a little bit under the eyes because there might be crying and such today, and I'm not trying to like have a full face of makeup on and then it sweat off. Hey sus, how you doing, baby? So with that being said, I'm gonna just start, and I guess I'll just tell y'all what I'm using as I go. This is the NYX eyebrow gel, and it's in the color black. Love this stuff, for real, for real. It dries quick though, so you gotta work fast. So I just moisturize my face with my Nivea cream that I always use, and I got lip gloss on, so now I'm gonna start. Alright, you guys, so this is probably going to be the easiest makeup tutorial that I've ever done on my channel, which is why I wanted to share it with you guys, even though this was filmed like a week ago. You guys, this is like my go-to no makeup look, you guys. As you can see, I got a new scar on my forehead, and I got a little bit of acne scars on my forehead, and that's because I've been stressing out lately. Guys, but I have a remedy for it to go away, you know what I'm saying? I have a remedy for that. So I use my tea tree oil, of course. And I use the Sundown Tea Tree Oil. I have a link down below. But I used my NYX brow product as you saw. And then I went in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn under the eyebrows. Now I use this concealer under the eyebrows, on top of the eyebrows, and under the eyes as concealer. And then I go all over my face with my NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat powder in the shade Chestnut. And then I spray with some Fix Plus and highlight. And that's it. Oh yeah, and a touch of gloss. So just enjoy the rest of the video, you guys. It's really the easiest thing to do. Love it so much. Also, I forgot to mention, the product that you see me put on my brows towards the end is just hair spritz in a bottle. The Pump It Up hair spritz, I put it in a bottle, and I love to use that to make my eyebrows stay all day.
We get it poppin', let's hop in the shower. We touchin' and kissin' and lovin' for hours. We stacking this money and blowin' it sour, sour. After hours, let's get it poppin', let's hop in the shower. We touchin' and kissin' and lovin' for hours. We stacking this money and blowin' it sour, sour. After hours, let's get it poppin' and go to the bedroom. Put on that little fit that I bought you in Cancun. Let's keep it between us like we did in last June. Come in, girl, let me show you. After hours, meet me in the shower with nothing but a towel. Tell me something about you, like what's your favorite sex move? Let me put it on you. Girl, I wanna spoil you. Turn that ass around, time for round two. After hours, it's after hours. Let's get it poppin', let's hop in the shower. Let's hop in the shower. We touchin' and kissin' and lovin' for hours. We touchin' and kissin' and lovin'. We stacking this money and blowin' the sour, the sour. After hours, let's get it poppin', let's hop in the shower. We touchin' and kissin' and lovin' for hours. We stacking this money and blowin' the sour, the sour. After hours, boy, I wanna take you to my crib. I'ma get on top and show you how I live. Right here, so good, you beg me not to stop. You're in and out, you're hitting on my spot. It's after hours, let's hop in the shower. Construct me with power. Hey, hey, let's make a move now. Just me and you now. Spin me right round. Hey, hey, baby, come and get it now. I want you. Come and beat it up just like you're supposed to. You can pull on my hair. After hours, it's after hours. Let's get it poppin', let's hop in the shower. Let's hop in the shower. We touching and kissing and loving for hours. We touching and kissing and loving. We stacking this money and blowing the sour. The sour. After hours. Let's get it poppin', let's hop in the shower. You know, let's hop in the shower. We touching and kissing and loving for hours. We kissing and touching and loving. We stacking this money and blowing the sour. The sour. After hours. Now we in the room, then we going long, straight loving. Kissing on the body, getting all excited, slow stroking.
Don't play around, going round and round, I want it. Give it to me, daddy, give me pressure, yeah, I like it.
Beat is so good, you beg me not to stop. I'm in and out, I'm hitting all your spots. It's after hours, tonight is ours. It's after hours, so meet me in the shower. And that be on the beat.
After hours, we get it poppin', let's hop in the shower.